Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. The information and analytical service is in touch system.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. If necessary, it is possible to pause. We suggest looking at each indicator of the company in question more closely. Now let's compare the company's key indicators. Montauk Renewables, ticker MNTK. The review is based on current information as of July 4, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets organization Montauk Renewables Inc. belongs to the subcategory Green Energy. 47 companies are involved in the comparison. We will look at the final solutions towards the end of this video. The result for the company in question is as follows: 7 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is minus 0.7 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the entire stock market as a whole, it can be seen that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8. Against a 7-point rating for the company Montauk Renewables Inc. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Montauk Renewables and subcategory companies, we see that over the past 12 months the company's shares Montauk Renewables Inc. showed a dynamics of minus 49.3%. Compared to the price dynamics for the subcategory of 13.7%. Market capitalization of the organization Montauk Renewables valued at $0.39 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $71 billion. The company's book value is $0.26 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $39 billion. By comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share Montauk Renewables Inc. in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.545%. Book value capitalization is 0.66%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization's debt obligations amount to $0.059 billion. Financial liabilities to book value represent 23% of equity. Company debt rating, good, 1 point. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 52.5. Average in subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's market price-to-profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $7 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $18 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 2.2. Average in the subcategory is 1.5. Evaluation of the market price-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Tolet, minus 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $180 million. Revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $290 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 4.1%, with the average for the subcategory being minus 17.8%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.169%. This is 222% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $2,340,000. And in the subcategory, there are $724,000. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is $44.6 thousand, with an average in the subcategory of minus $86,000. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $1,081,000. In the subcategory, $483,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of transactions for sale is 3.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 67% for the company Montauk Renewables. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 67%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $2.72. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $3.38. Let's look at the order table that is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made this season by the reference evaluation system, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's assessment Montauk Renewables Inc. Information system GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a buy trade at $2.71. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high rating. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at level 4. Stop loss is set at 1.42. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed automatically at the end of the session on August 3rd, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker SEDG will be a balance order to sell. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the last price. Thank you for watching this video and for using the help system from GURU.Markets.